Okay guys, so this is what we're doing. As you can see here, we are welding on the tire carrier. That's where the tire will go, okay? And so right now we've just finished tacking this, okay? So we're gonna weld here, and we're gonna weld here. We're gonna do this side over here. You ready? Get cover. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Okay guys, so this is what happens. We've mounted that tire carrier there, okay, and as you can see, it kind of goes up a bit, but that's the plan. The reason is because when we put a lot of weight in there, it'll flex down and it'll be just perfect. So tomorrow we're gonna put the truss in here, okay, triangulate that for strength. But yeah, it's very well. My cousin's here, he's the owner. Let's see. Yeah. Yep. Oh, careful. Yeah.
That's the plan. The plan
is
to swing away like this.
Yep. All right. So, hey, Kashimon, there you go. Yeah, perfect. It's not touching the bed or the camper or anything like that. So it's gonna be one strong mug. This is, yep, awesome. Yep. All right, let's see. Okay, so our plan is to have a receiver like this up here. We're gonna weld this thing here, and then we're gonna gusset it here and gusset it back, and then my cousin's gonna put a basket up here, and also he's gonna put a basket in here where we're gonna cut a hole here for the receiver as well. So we're gonna put two receivers. One will be on the on the tire carrier, and one on the bumper right there. So it's gonna be pretty badass, I can tell you that. And he's a pretty happy guy right now. So nice. Yeah. Okay guys, so it's daytime, and this is what we're doing. We're making a crossbar or a diagonal bar that goes this way and that way as well. So this is what I did. I measured the center of this bar right here to about 21 and 7/8 of an inch. So I'm going to cut this in half here. It's already pre-marked, and once done, I'm going to mock it right there. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Safety first. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to mock it like this. We're going to mock it like that, you see. And basically, what we're going to do is we are going to be cutting here on this side. Okay guys, so this is what I did. I've cut this into length. As you can see, it's just being held there temporarily, and what I'm doing here is I'm trying to level them so I can weld. Okay. Alright. So they're held in place by little clamps right there, and little clamps right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tack this, okay, into place, and then I'm going to take off the whole thing unit here. I'm going to finalize my weld there, okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to weld here, there, and all the points here. Okay, and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay guys, so it is almost finished. I'm waiting for my cousin to buy a latch. I said I was going to put the other latch in, but what we're going to do is we're going to use a door latch, and that's what we're going to be doing. I'll show you how this thing mocks up. Yeah, that's it. So I've done what I can. I'm going to drive it down and see what happens. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. Looks very nice. So I need to cut that end off right there, and I need to patch that in and patch those in. Should be good. Oh, I like it. It's not that bad. Okay. So I'm just waiting for my cousin. He's too slow. He's still at work. Okay. Now I purposely made that go up a little bit like that, and there's a reason why. The reason is because when I put weight on that thing, it's gonna come down. Okay, and that's the reason why I made it go up like that. Okay. Okay guys, so this is what I'm doing. I'm closing out this thing right here. If you remember, it used to look like this, guys, right? So now I'm closing this, welding that back in. How I did it is I use this very, very special tool that's always dear to me, and it's called a big hammer. So I'm going to be welding this in right here, closing it, and then so it's on the bottom here as well. So once that's done, I'm gonna close this right here. Okay guys, so I got this thing on. Okay, gotta grind off the slag here, and the splatter, not the slag, splatters. There's a lot of splatter when you use flux core. And basically I'm gonna build up these welds here. I'm gonna sand it off and then make it pretty like that. Okay, so that's what I have to do, and I have to do that to here as well. And here did the same thing. I lovingly use a special tool called a hammer and gingerly convince the metal to conform. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld this in, okay, and I'm going to weld the underside in. Okay, well, the underside I can't weld, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to tack, but the top one I'm going to weld. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I know it looks ugly right now, but what we're going to do is later we're going to be grinding this off. Okay, so that and we're going to make it pretty like this right here. Okay, so here too. So it just takes some time and finesse. So let's put the tire carrier on. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the bad boy. So I made that thing go up more than it should be. The reason is because my cousin, he's kind of crazy. He plans to put a basket up there. And the basket along with the tire, along with the gas can, I'm estimating that will be about over 100 pounds. Probably 200 pounds easily. So this thing will flex, as you can see. You can see that. So with him and his basket up there, along with all the good stuff here, it'll weigh down and it'll be perfect. Okay, so yeah, that's that. I'm waiting for my cousin to bring me that lock, that latch lock, so we can build him the bad boy here and make this thing lock quick like that, right? But he is not here yet, so this is how she looks like.